If you're selling on Amazon and making $10,000 a month or getting close, you've probably seen this warning in Seller Central. Yes, Amazon requires business insurance, and if you don't have it, you could get suspended. That's what caught my attention. Here's what Amazon wants. $1 million in general liability coverage, and Amazon has to be listed as an additional insured. Basically, they want to make sure your policy protects you and them. I looked into it for a friend who sells on Amazon, and wow, a lot of insurance companies don't really understand e-commerce or make the process way too complicated. Then I found Next Insurance. It takes like 5 minutes to get a quote, and their general liability policy checks all the Amazon boxes, including product liability. What's cool is you get unlimited certificates of insurance. You can download and customize them instantly from your dashboard. If you manage multiple stores or marketplaces, that's a game changer. And even if you're not $10,000 per month yet, it's still smart to have. Because if a customer claims your product caused an injury or damage, you're exposed. Next gives you real protection without all the usual insurance headaches. So, is Next Insurance worth it for Amazon sellers? If you want fast, affordable coverage that's fully Amazon compliant, yes. Protect your store and stay in good standing with Amazon. You can sign up using the link in the description and get covered in minutes.